Centura is a military-friendly school. I really got more than I expected. My background is 15 years in the U.S. Navy, did 3 tours in Afghanistan, Iraq. I got 2 Navy Marine Corps Achievement Medals for outstanding service. Someone told me about Centura, so I called them up, and Centura had all the courses I needed. You know, military teaches you to be always ready, to be a leader, and I knew what I wanted, and I wanted a good foundation, and Centura added to what I was already doing. They worked with me on my schedule. I was able to work an outside job, raise my family, and get my college degree. I got my associate's and bachelor's degree. The instructors were very helpful, realizing that you have a life outside of college and you have kids. The way everything was just arranged and programmed, it fit right into my schedule. I could study, I could use the library here. So it's a good environment for the military. So I got the job as manager of the U.S. Military Explorers. I started out as a first sergeant. Today I'm a colonel, and now I manage the program for the 7 cities in the Triangle area. I think Centura was a very big part of molding me into the person I am today in doing that. By being here at Centura and learning in business marketing that you have to offer a better product or better service than your competitor, I realized that there are TC programs all over America. So I got to be just as good, if not better. And Centura has helped me to do that. So I always try to stay one step ahead of the ROTC program in the next city. Coming from Centura College, coming from the military, all I've learned and acquired when I work with these young people, the pleasure that I get out of it is I'm given a chance to give back to the community. Everybody that's here, their goal is to see you succeed. This is the perfect place for you because it's going to help you to accomplish your goals, and then you can take those goals and apply them to society. This is the place to succeed.